My name is Katie, and I'm 14, and I'm in ninth grade, and I've been going to Trinity Chapel for 7 months. Jesus is my Lord and Savior, and He died on the cross for our sins. Jesus is my Lord and Savior, and He's my healer because He healed me from epilepsy, and He got me through some tough times.
What do you mean He healed you from epilepsy?
Like, I didn't have a seizure for 6 years.
Do you think Jesus had an impact on that?
Yeah. Last year in October, I started to take my faith serious.
Why?
Because I just felt like I needed to. I want to be baptized because I think it will bring my relationship closer with Jesus. I'm excited and nervous.
Uh-huh.